Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Now just open the app here, click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher. Here click OK, again OK, and now we'll just go back. Here you should click to switch inputted methods and switch your Samsung keyboard to English United States keyboard, and that's finished, as can you see. And now we'll go here to the Google search, and as can you see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all the emojis. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.